Today, we've got a quick and direct guide on how to change your ad spending limit for Instagram ads. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into the account associated with the ad you want to modify. Tap on your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Navigate to the specific post you want to boost. Simply tap on it to proceed. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the Boost Post option. Go ahead and tap on it. Firstly, select the goal you want to achieve with this ad. Choose the one that aligns with your objectives. Specify your target audience to ensure your ad reaches the right people. Now, let's get to the budgeting section. Here, you can set your ad spending limit. Simply drag the bar to increase or decrease your spending. Once you've adjusted the spending limit to your preference, set the duration for your boosted post. After that, hit Next. And there you have it. That's how you can easily change your ad spending limit on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, a like would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.